Today I would like to give an example about how you can safely move a 150 kilo heat pump with just these three simple things. Here we've got the new Stanley FatMax TradeLift. They're a brand new product, really well built. They feel like beautifully solid. We've got the heat pump mover bag with all of the accessories, and then obviously we've got the heat pump mover. I'm going to load up the heat pump onto the feet, slide the heat pump mover underneath by using the Stanley TradeLift, and then wheel it around the side. So let's get going. So now the heat pump are on the rubber feet. When we're using the heat pump mover, we want this fan end to be clamped down to the rubber feet. Now all I want to do is just lift the heat pump up just by 5 to 10 mil, just so I can manoeuvre the foot into position to then bolt it down. It's got the little gap there. We're going to put one either side of the heat pump. Just lift it by that sort of 10-15 mil again, so then we can slide the heat pump mover underneath. Because these are 150 kilo units, this is the hardest part to be able to safely manually do on your own, is to be able to lift the unit to manoeuvre bits into place. So now the heat pump's moving to the heat pump mover. Nice and solid, but not too tight. Now we're just going to feed the handle underneath. See, with this hammock strap, we've got the adjustable loops here because that feels really uncomfortable. So I'm just going to move it down just to comply with health and safety, that I'm not lifting too high. Let's try there. Much better. So now the heat pump's nearly into place. We're basically going to reverse everything that we've just done at the start there. We're going to lift it up, take the heat pump mover out, put the foot underneath, bolt it up, and then pop it on. So by using these few simple products, this is the way that you can safely move a very heavy heat pump on your own.